Hello and welcome everybody to round 3, game 2 of the conference finals. This game will be the Hershey Bears at Chicago Wolves, and hope you guys enjoy the stream or video. Okay, coach.
Alright, I'm gonna dump it off face off, coach.
Okay, coach.
Whoever.
Yay, okay.
Wait, why is
Hey,
you mad on?
bench
TMM.
you mad. Bench you mad.
Bench you mad. Alright.
Is Sunhill good?
Right. P game.
Yes, he's good.
P game.
Is Cone good?
Yes.
He gave it.
P game.
The whole,
Is
everybody
Zion-
here
gotta
is
get-
good.
Sir Law, you have to get that.
I know. Watch him.
I got one team.
Wait, do we have duck standings there?
Save me, Buzzer Los Matthews.
My bad. That's.
I saved that.
That's my bad. I wasn't watching.
Yeah, I saved it. I saved that.
My bad.
Turn my volume up. So, who's doing 9?
Go up,
Thomas.
Sir Law. Go. Never mind.
Oh, I said your name.
Go hijack.
Foul.
Help him out. Oh. Watch Cherry.
Get that. Get him. Stamina, Sir Law. Come on.
Oh, rip. Got a pen.
Keep me for PK. I promise.
Totally worth it.
Alright.
Oh, dang it, dude. I thought he was gonna go around me.
Go hijack.
Go hijack. Oh. Get back. Where's the defense? Where is
Oh
the
my
defense? No. And he scores.
Hijack blocked me.
Oh my gosh, guys. Rip. That was honestly pitiful. Ah, my bad. That was my B.
Hijack blocked me with the stick. Freaking
It's
BS.
fine. Come on, line 2.
Jailbreak.
Come on, line 2.
Come on, line 2. We believe in you. Wait, I'm on line 2, so I believe in me.
Yeah,
Fuck
guys.
these defense,
That's why you don't go up. Okay? That's why.
I wasn't past blue line. See, look, he blocked me.
Yeah, it's fine.
God. And he's blaming it on you.
Okay, I'm kidding. Oh my god.
Fluffy would not.
All right.
I can't let him be.
Come on, guys.
How do you turn off chat? I need to do this.
So if you go to the top left of your screen, there is like a little chat bubble thing.
Oh,
Turn it off.
well, too late now.
Alright, don't
Wait.
worry.
Oh,
Come
there we
on,
go.
guys. Defense. Fire, that's all you, bud. Your
You
defense.
need to get
Stay
by
behind
your
them. Stay
man.
behind those guys.
It's
Okay.
like the first
I'm
time.
gonna start that guy back and tell him what to do right now.
That's the first time it's been in forever.
Oh, well, he got it, but I didn't work too well.
It's the
Ducks.
first time I've
Ducks.
been
Back it up. Oh, go.
on the line that's been scored against before. Hey, the plus minus glitched and we
What's
still
that?
have 0.
Come on. Where's the defense? Fire. Defense.
What the heck do you mean? The puck is in the goalie's hands.
I know, but still.
Thanks, Obama. Oh, Congress, no.
Watch the defense. Oh my gosh. Defense, guys. Defense.
Dead. I'm done.
I got the puck and it went right.
Okay, listen. Fire, that's why you stay back. I'm not joking. Oh my gosh.
Fluffy!
We don't even have a committee here.
No, we do Crossbow Joe.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, our captain's here.
Go.
Oh my god, for once.
Stay back. Stay
Yeah,
back.
actually got him
Big
to-
pen.
oh, yes.
PK,
I actually
PK,
got him
PK.
to game.
No PP.
Oh, I mean, yeah. PP. Yeah. Power play. Watch him.
PP, PP, PP.
One more.
Power play, come on. Put me on coach.
They're saying that's the PP line.
Wait, what?
So mean.
Hijack, Fluffy, and Sir. Or hockey. Okay.
Who's defense?
No, it's a power play. They're just gonna clear.
Okay, just hi. Okay, hockey. If yep, go back, go back, go back, go back. Oh my gosh, where's the defense?
That's not me. Got him.
Alright, good job.
Get that, get that.
Put me on
Go
the
up, go up,
What the fuck?
go up, go up.
Come on, this is a power play,
I
not
love,
PK.
I
Oh,
love how
there.
Crossbow comes to our game as soon as we're about to make the championship.
Okay, come on, watch him.
That's
Bandwagon
flip,
much?
And he scores!
I started that play. You're welcome.
Oh my
Good job.
gosh.
That was a good setup. Good setup.
Yes,
See, Hijack
finally.
and Fluffy do our chemistry.
Finally.
Unblocked.
Oh gosh.
Had him blocked?
I thought we weren't gonna. Oh
All
my
high,
gosh,
all
dude.
high, all high.
I'm trying to get Crossbow Joe to come to the call. He's only gonna text.
My gosh. Nice clear hockey.
Good
Nice.
job.
Hey. Hey, turn that down. Turn that down, Tom. 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 Tom.
Me.
Who's that? Seriously, I'm gonna get a copyright. I'm not joking, guys.
This is me.
I checked him.
Alright, seriously, guys. Where's the defense? This is a power play line.
It's
Oh my gosh.
How do you hit?
It's not a
It's
power
all-
play line because
It's all fluffy, dude.
it's not a power play line because power plays over.
It's all fluffy. He's freaking going way too far up. See,
It's
look
a-
at that fluffy.
Hockey is like the only partial defense person out there.
Wait, why are we putting Justin on?
Because Crossbow just gonna get mad if I don't.
Dude, fluffy. Fluffy's
He
so
doesn't-
bad.
Oh, no hijack.
Oh,
Man, dude, hijack. Come on.
I think
get back. If you
if
get the
Crossbow's
puck.
gonna do all these lines, he's gonna mess everything up.
Crossbow isn't doing lines. He doesn't know them. I even told him.
Oh my gosh, defense.
That's
Oh
on
my
fluffy,
gosh.
to be honest. That's not on me.
Turn that down, Nightmare, please. Nightmare. Fire. Fire.
Why?
Please turn it down. Alright.
Who called my name?
Me. It's way too loud.
What do you?
It's echoing.
What do you want? People want?
Why would we put them on if we're losing? Just saying.
Because Crossbow's just gonna get mad if I don't. I have to play Justin.
What about
Dude,
Chris?
look at Fluffy. He doesn't even like.
Actually,
See,
that was like a. It went like through it.
he didn't even use any stam.
Hijack actually.
At
did
least
the wrong
me
thing.
and freaking Hijack tried.
Yeah. Can't blame them.
Because you just sat there and watched them. Boom. That's why.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I was wrong about the update. It's only period 1 and it's 2 to 1.
My gosh.
What is that? What is that? Shut up, random
Where-
video.
Okay, where's the where's the defense? Oh my gosh,
You
who
don't
is?
have a
Well,
team.
and that girl just said fire. Like, I'm not kidding.
Okay, seriously, what? Who's playing that?
Playing what?
Who's playing that video?
I'm not even meaning to. It is an ad and it's
Oh my gosh. We need to seriously get some good people on.
All our good people will have stand. Well, except for Hijack. Like, if you could put 2 defensemen and Hijack when she gets.
We're gonna play the rest. of
Turn
the
that
period.
down. Turn it down. Turn it. They're gonna play for the rest of the period.
Yes. So.
Fire, do you understand what turn that down means?
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
use
not
turn
playing
up.
anymore.
Just
Turn
mute your
up.
mute. Who is it?
I'm not playing anything at all.
No, it's in-game sounds. E-tip. Oh my gosh.
It is not loud at all.
All right. Well, whoever it is.
Is there it?
No.
I'm so done.
Because
That'd
not-
be so annoying.
Come on, guys. Oh,
Go. Oh.
Every time there's a breakaway, Fluffy
Are
just
you doing
sits
your line
there
cheat?
and does nothing.
oh, go hijack. Go. Oh, dang it.
Good try, Hijack.
Defense. Defense. Literally. Put L1 on, please.
Fire, you better be good defense. If not, I'll kill you.
Okay, I'm done. That just scared me. I'm done.
Scared.
Fire. Stay behind our blue
Me and
line.
Hijack will literally come inside your house.
Done. I'm leaving, guys. Bye. I can't leave. There's an invisible wall. Help me,
Don't fall.
please. I'm trying. Can't
Never
leave.
mind. Try to dump it, Hijack.
He's not in the call.
Yes, he is.
Oh, he
There it
is?
Ooh,
Oh, he
Can't
is.
talk.
There's
He
a
or
fucking
she
pup.
can't talk.
Hijack.
Get that, Fire.
Nice, 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 nice. Don't waste ammo if it's that close.
Well, I never know if someone's behind me, so.
Come on, guys.
I
Stop
can try, Hijack. If you're
Come on, we
Hijack,
can't-
uh,
Come on, guys.
Guys, I'm gonna restart my computer.
Alright. Alright. Come on, guys. If we win this game, hey guys, come on. Right. If we win this game, we're only 2 away from winning.
Who
I'm
has
gonna get the
speed?
E-tip. I'm gonna get the E-tip.
Watch the E. Watch the E.
I got E.
Don't push him into the goal. Don't push him into the
My
goal.
bad.
Don't push him into the goal. Push him out.
Tell me when it's my last face off, and then I'll use all my spam.
Alright.
I need the face-off to be on the left side.
Watch, he's gonna. Alright.
Fire, don't bite.
Fire. Stay back. Stay back, Fire. Stay behind our blue line.
Get that.
Clear it. Clear it. Clear it. Good. Good.
Good job. How?
Oh my god, my eye.
Get that.
Nice. Nice. Nice.
Alright,
Yes. It's gonna be on this side. No.
Alright, is my last face off? Because I'll use all my spam.
It's gonna be on this side.
Right, you're set.
Okay, I cannot face off against that.
Fire. Get back.
I
I'm
can
not
see
joking.
it
Look at the
now.
cherry pickers. Look at the cherry pickers. Who's covering
Just gonna
cone?
Sit there.
Come on, get up on him. He's just gonna waste time. There you go. That's fire. That's you.
Hijack, get him. Oh, no, he lost his. We gotta stick.
Alright, use stem. Use stem now. Use stem now.
Oh,
Oh,
come
you
on,
don't
guys.
want
Watch
that.
him. He's
Fire,
screening.
please let me get the puck.
Come on. Move
Fire,
up.
you're going
Move
way
up.
too far up for a freaking defense.
At least
Fire, that is
Oh,
literally
I don't
unnecessary.
There's a
know.
chance.
Alright.
There's a chance.
Put me on coach.
Fire.
I didn't.
Oh
If I
my
would have went
God.
a little inch to the side, I would have scored too. Man. I scored from there all the time. What? I can hear you perfectly in the call. Thank you. Like, you've literally gotten the puck. Those 2 goals were, like, the best. Like, they're the only goals I've gotten. What was he, because I ain't a defenseman?
But you're going way too far up for defenseman.
Alright.
If that was a turnover, if there was a turnover, it would be on you.
What? Get that hijack. Come on.
my
Oh,
God.
pen on who? Yes.
Steve.
You seriously need to win.
Hijack. Go, go, go.
Puck chasing.
Oh! Oh!
Sirloin, you don't need to move with it. You just need to stay in for. You just need to stay in like.
Wait, why am I off?
It's a power play.
Oh.
Oh my bad.
You're a
I'm on.
defenseman.
I almost have that too. Come on, guys. It's already period 2. Halfway through period 2. Come on, go! Oh, get back, get back, get back.
Ducks.
Oh my gosh, come on. Move it up, Ducks, move it up. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Pass it. No, get back, get back, get
Ow.
back. He's gonna snipe. Nice. Watch him, don't pen. Come on, they're just wasting time. They're gonna snipe. What?
No goal. No.
No goal.
SA minus. Tell Cross what an SA minus.
No way that's a no goal. Yes, he has A minus. What?
Oh my god, we're acting like Toronto.
No, no, that's no goal. That's no goal.
That was kicked. That was actually really kicked.
No, yeah, it was kicked. It was kicked.
It's still
Guys,
tough.
review that. Review that.
No.
That was kicked.
I need another offense. I'm gonna have to go fluffy there.
Review that. That was a kick.
Yeah.
That was definitely kicked.
Well, don't review it. It's a no goal.
Crispy's AFK.
Really, don't take.
No, he's not.
No,
Fire defense.
Christ, dude, nobody's cooperating.
Fire defense.
I know, you know, I'm gonna read it.
We need to have the original
I
line
was-
one
I know.
on. And we have nobody.
I'm wondering what Chris is actually gonna do. Okay, that was
Go.
a decent pass. That was a good pass.
It's a power play. Why am I defense?
Except Fluffy. has
No,
to run
defense.
by.
Dude, now it's not. Now it's not. Now it's not.
I got it.
I'm
Hey,
afraid
tell
Chris
some-
might.
Watch him. Watch. Oh my gosh. Don't go like that. He's gonna dangle.
Fire. Jesus Christ.
How's he not losing puck? Okay, finally. Move it up. Move it up. Go.
Okay.
Dang it.
Worcester is disqualified
How?
Do it.
for
Wow.
alt accounts.
Wow.
Face off.
Really?
Yes.
I can't get out.
It says Worcester is disqualified for alt accounts. Man wins series.
Wow. Who is their alt?
Come on, get backfired. This is what I said. You're going way too far.
Bet you I can guess them.
Hey, Crisp is on red. Crisp is on red. Sub him.
I'm on nothing.
It's the LOL Jake X and
Put me and Hockey on. Me and Hockey.
and
Me and Hockey. Yep, let's go.
and Lambit Knights. Yes, here we go.
Come on, guys. Let's score. Well, let's tie it up.
Here, I'm gonna look at their roster, cause.
Okay, yes, I can do this with Steve.
Come on, come on.
Oh, I swear to freaking God. Alright. Going towards Steve.
They know how to deke. That's why you do small little checks.
I did. What? Sir Law.
Oh, save.
Cause so if we're losing
Hijack your
with
face off.
period 3, look, me
Go team
and
me.
Osbo can go on.
Are you guys really good
Sir
together?
Law, no.
Oh.
I don't know, like Crossbow just from like season 1.
Go.
From like 3 seasons. So.
Oh my god. I could have had a breakaway.
What is he doing? Get that.
Go, hijack. Come on.
Alright, hockey E1 season.
Ah, dang it. Keep us on, coach. Keep us on.
Same line.
Keep us on, coach.
Son of a bitch, dude.
Like halfway through the third period, you should
Let hijack face off.
Hey, you guys can get on and you guys can go on in 3 minutes, you know, right?
Yeah. No, in 2 minutes.
No, in 3. It's playoffs.
Yeah, in 2 minutes we can go
Oh,
out.
oh yeah, I see what you mean. Like when it hits 3 minutes, I mean.
Wait, so Worcester got completely knocked out of the series?
Yes.
Yeah, I guess so.
So who are we gonna go?
Who's their cap?
Sir Law, no, 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 the hijack.
Oh yeah, you guys have like a
Oh
little
my-
fight
Dang it.
you guys do.
Thomas, can I be off?
Go hijack.
You can, I just don't know.
Don't know when to put me in.
I could have E1 T that.
Sir Law, get back.
I know what he's gonna do. He's gonna go in.
E-tip, E-tip.
I'm cherry picking.
Oh, dude, that almost tipped in. Oh,
I'm
watch it.
cherry picking. I'm
What is he
cherrying. Cherrying.
Look at hockey. They're not paying
Carry.
attention. Look at cock.
Go, go.
Good
Okay.
pick.
Okay, Z,
Hijack.
Z, Z.
Don't Z, E. Only E because Z's going. It's rare.
Well, Ducks did it.
E, E. Yeah, Ducks did.
Oh my god.
Want me to put him on then?
No, because he doesn't have his buddy. Done.
Surpassed him that.
I'm
Remember?
gonna have to put some more offense on.
Come on, come on.
So,
Go.
does that mean I'm offensive or defense?
Oh my god.
You have to tell me these things.
Your defense fire. You should know this.
Well, I was asking him if I could be offensive a little bit
Oh,
ago,
wait, wait,
and
wait, wait, wait,
he
wait,
just
wait,
said
wait,
no.
wait, wait.
Offsides. Can you not, Sir Law?
You were the
Go.
sir-
Go.
Oh, come on, come on. Get the rebound. Oh my. Okay, that just went through my stick.
Evan,
Bringing it up.
Oh no,
Pass it right
that's
to
all
him.
you, sir. Good, sir.
Oh, my stupid. Okay, go, go, hijack.
Guys, I'm gonna be in a call crash.
Come on,
okay.
come on, come on.
Leave us like that. Fine then.
I got you. Go.
3 minutes,
You
3
go,
minutes.
hijack.
Go. Oh crap! Come on.
Okay, I'm heading to the bench when I didn't even get on.
Come on, guys.
Wait, how's Crossbow on?
Put hijack on with y'all.
Crossbow can't. Yeah,
Come on.
Crossbow can't be on. Never mind. Okay, I don't know what to do here.
Come on.
D or O.
Your defense, of course.
Okay,
But go in if you have the chance.
that's what I do. I'm going straight back.
Go up there, dude. Help him. Help him. Go. You can go up to. Oh, go. Oh my gosh.
Go.
Yes. No. 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 Icing. All right.
You need to put hijack on, Thomas.
That would be an all offense.
Fire. Come on. Okay,
What?
fire. When it hits 1 minute, just go all offense.
Not even. like a minute,
I mean, some defense if I have the chance, if I need
a
to.
minute 30.
Oh, that FIFA though.
Oh my gosh, come on. This is all you, Fire. Nice. Come on, come on.
Jesus Christ.
Pass it up to Cross.
Can't check. Thank you very much, bombs.
Watch him, watch him, watch him. Go, Cross.
Jinx.
Oh my god, dude. How did they catch up?
Oh! Come on,
What is he
E-tip,
doing?
E-tip, E-tip.
Try Z,
Go
but
up for a Z, go up for a Z.
Nope. I was too late. I was too late. He was dead. Alright, in 51 seconds I'm going out. Okay, never mind, I'm not.
Yes, hi. Come on. Oh, save. Yes, hijack. Come on. Come on, Thomas is on red. Oh, save. Come on, go.
Oh my gosh. Go, go, go. Come on.
Come
Give me one
on,
lucky break.
go.
Oh my gosh, go, go.
Oh my gosh, why would you waste it?
How does he always do that shot? Hold on.
Go, hijack.
Done.
Oh, guys,
If we
got.
lose this, Justin's like, let me get on the ice, Thomas. He
Oh my-
doesn't even know
no.
what's happening right now, I bet.
Go. Oh, get back, get back,
Crossbow's
get back.
such a choker, dude.
Nope.
Oh my god.
Go, hijack. What? No. Oh my gosh, Justin.
Oh my gosh. FIFA! Oh my gosh.
Are y'all pulling or no? What the heck?
I told him we need stamp, something they don't have. Okay, don't get FO. Trying to FO to Fluffy if he doesn't move.
Oh my gosh,
Can
defense,
y'all
defense.
not watch the cherry pickers? Goal.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so done, dude, with life.
Come on, watch it, watch it, watch it. Nope, they're open, they're open.
Oh my gosh.
Good job.
Frick this. This is crap. This will be the first time we've actually lost a legit game.
How long was our streak?
Like a game that didn't have, we had an actual full roster at, I would say like
Dude, they had lucky FIFAs, to be honest.
six games.
Yeah, we had a 6-game win streak.
Unhail got a heady. Wait. Oh,
No,
yeah.
he didn't.
No, you didn't know. Because that was that one goal.
Yeah, he did. No, he didn't.
Remember that one FIFA goal?
Ah, yes, Unhail.
I guess PP. Oh well.
We're only... It's the series will be tied.
But it's better to lead the
Oh,
series.
why would he bench me at the face-off?
Alright guys, that's the end of the stream. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.